We've got spuds from the garden, we've got flour, we've got some lard out of the fridge, and I've got a tin of corned beef. Let's make a corned beef pie. What could go wrong? About a corned beef pie is the simplicity of it, because it's literally corned beef and potatoes and a bit of lard. And what I thought I'd do, you've seen this a million times, going to make a hot water pastry with a bit of lard and some flour. So we've got 500 grams, 120 grams, and then hot water around about 280. So we're going to combine all those together, and then I'll show you the mixture for this, which could not be simpler, which again is potatoes, a little bit of corned beef and some onions. Let's do this first of all. So 100 is what we're looking for. A full block is, well, about 120, so a full block is 250. So it's really around about half a block. There we go. And if I make this up to 250, 300, which is about there. We've got the lard and the water, boiling water just melting there. I'll take a minute, and while I'm doing that, I'll show you exactly, as he walks off, what we're going to use for the filling. So this is what we have. These are the potatoes, and I put these in the pressure cooker to soften. And I've also got an onion in there as well. There it is. And that's going in the pressure cooker at the same time. And so it's all soft, basically. That's what I'm trying to get at. So here is our mixture, what we're going to pop inside. I've opened the corned beef, and we don't need all of the corned beef. We only really need half a tin, which is there. That's why it's quite frugal. So all I'm going to do now is to mash all this together. Not too bothered about it having pieces of potato in, bigger pieces, don't mind that at all, because that's what I want. I just really want to combine it. So with that salt, pepper. So we can leave it at that with salt and pepper. And I'm going to put just a little bit of soy sauce in, just to enhance that beefy flavour. You've seen my pork pies. This is going to be a corned beef pie. It's going to be very, very rustic. Great for picnics, great for snacking. Oh, even that tastes delicious. Wonderful. Move that to one side. Let's bring our flour forward. And we'll just make sure that this is melted, which it has. Let's pour that in. Let's bring it all together. Get it separated. There's our dish. I've already pre-greased this. Oh, there we are. I know it's non-stick, but pre-grease it. So when you come to get it off, there are no issues. Okay. So there is our filling. Just use your hands like this. Over the top. There, like that. Let's get some more egg wash all the way around.